Let's see how a container of plumber's putty moves through Latitude warehouse. First, purchase orders, how the product is ordered. We start by logging into Latitude Web. We will look at activities, then receiving, and finally, purchase orders. Let's look at the line items on this purchase order. Our first line item is plumber's putty. Now we'll receive the putty into the warehouse. We receive a shipment from our vendor. And we use the enclosed purchase order to receive the product. Let's see what's happening on the scanner as the employee receives the product. Here, the employee can scan the item number or enter the line number from the purchase order. She enters a quantity. Then, she scans a destination load. She puts the putty inside load A0001, and that's where it will stay until we perform Putaway. Now, let's check to make sure that the item is in inventory. There it is. If we click on the job number, we can see our item. If we click on the item number, we can see inventory in the warehouse for plumber's putty. Now, we're going to move our inventory into a proper bin location in a process called Putaway. Our user scans the source load. That's where we placed the product during receiving. She scans the item code to verify that we have the right product. She then scans the destination bin. Let's see how to pick a customer order. We receive an order for the putty. We'll review the sales order in Latitude Web. This order has one line item, plumber's putty. And look, it's in the exact bin location that we selected during Putaway. Now we're going to see how the order is picked using the scanner. We scan the order number, and we make sure we have the right quantity and then scan the item code. Then we scan the shipping load. And that's it. The order is picked into a shipping load and ready to go. We can review the order in Latitude Web. We see that the order is ready for shipment. Finally, we are going to ship the item to our customer. Shipping is also performed on the mobile scanner. We scan our order number. We scan our picking load. Typically at this point, we will remove the item from the load and pack it into a box for shipping. And the product is shipped. That means that the container of plumber's putty is no longer in the warehouse. Let's check to see that the order is shipped. The order status is shipped. There's our line item. As you can see, the bin that we originally placed the putty in is now empty. And that is how a product moves through a Latitude-controlled warehouse. We know where it is at all times, no matter how small.